Hello everyone. Today we are making Ven Pongal, a comforting South Indian dish made with moong lentils, rice, and a blend of spices. Take 1 cup of moong lentils and 1 cup of rice. Soak them in water for 15 minutes. Now in a pan, add 3 cups of water and let it come to a boil. Add the lentils first and then cook for 2 minutes. Then add the rice, soaked rice. Cook them slowly over medium flame until both are soft and well cooked. You can check by touching a bit of rice and lentils. Once they are almost cooked, add some salt for taste. We wait to add the salt later to avoid slowing down the cooking process. This pongal is a well balanced dish that's rich in protein. It can be served as prasadam in temples or made in homes for breakfast. Ven Pongal is a traditional South Indian breakfast dish of rice and yellow split moong dal. The word Ven means white in Tamil and Pongal means to bubble and overflow. The dish is very similar to Asian staple khichdi. This you can made it either as savory or as sweet. For sweet pongal, you will add jaggery and there is no seasoning for that. Instead, you will add some cardamom powder. The sweet version is a very popular and is made during Pongal festival or Hindu festivals in South India and is offered to deities as Naivedyam or Prasadam. If you ever been to Tirupati Balaji temple, you might have been tasted the best Pongal dish. It is offered to as Swamvari Prasadam to the people who visit the temple. Now the seasoning part. In a small pan or tadka, take 2 spoons of ghee. Ghee is the key ingredient while preparing pongal. It elevates the whole dish. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard and cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns, either as whole or lightly crushed, 1 teaspoon of finely chopped ginger, 1 teaspoon of onion, it's an optional, and 2 green split chilies, 6 to 8 curry leaves. Let them fry until your kitchen smells. Add a few coriander leaves if you want to have it along with pongal. Now transfer this seasoning into the rice and lentils. Stir it all together. Top it off with some roasted cashews and there you have it. Your pongal is ready to serve. Pair it with peanut chutney. Just dry roast a cup of peanuts with 3 green chilies. Once they are done, blend them with a pinch of tamarind, a pinch of salt, and 1 garlic clove. Add some water to make it nice chutney. Don't forget to season it with mustard seeds, cumin seeds, red chilies, and curry leaves. It's as healthy and tasty dish that anyone can, from babies to elders, will love. Give it a try and let us know how it turned out. Thank you for your time. Happy cooking. Namaste. Don't forget to taste this delicious Pongal recipe whenever you visit to South Indian regions. If you visit to a restaurant, try to have it along with the idli, chutney or sambar, Pongal chutney or Pongal sambar along with vada.